Aware of the symbols, motto, principles, and purposes of the Marine Corps League. Do solemnly swear that I will uphold and defend the Constitution of the United States of America and of the Marine Corps League. I will never knowingly wrong, deceive, defraud, or defraud the League to the value of anything. I will never knowingly wrong or injure or permit any member or any member's family to be wronged or injured. If to prevent same is within my power, I will never propose for membership one known to me to be unqualified or unworthy to become a member of the League. I further promise to govern my conduct in the League's affairs and in my personal life in a manner becoming and a decent and honorable person, and will never knowingly bring discredit to the League, so help me God. Chaplain, you will address the Almighty in prayer on behalf of the new members.
Uncovered. Almighty God, we ask that blessing on those who have just now become our members of the Marine Corps League, on the League itself, and on those already members. Grant to our beloved country, to all nations, desire and determination followed by admiration concerning peace, justice, and brotherly love among men and women. Grant that all nations shall forsake war, and at the time may come when the fundamental law of our Ten Commandments shall govern the relations between all people and all nations. Grant that our people may come to know the righteous way, knowing satisfaction to be the right to end. By love and understanding, righteousness and peace for others beyond. May it be never again shall our nation have to, but if it must come, grant their cause be a just one, and that we may possess the full truth to fight with valor and distinction shown by our fellow Marines, the FMS Corpsmen, and the FMS Navy Chaplain, time past. Let none of us rise up in pride to think we are better than our fellow Marines. Keep our legs steadfast on the course and grant that its members may be ever mindful of the true meaning of our motto, separate of others, by being always faithful to thee, to our country, to our league, and to our fellow members. Thus, in this new world, because of our part in it. Amen.
Amen.
We now cover.
Marines, as Commandant of the Gem City Detachment, I welcome you and declare that you now possess all the privileges, rights, and responsibility as a member of the League. Fellow Marines, I introduce to you Stacy Job, Mark Miller. I declare a recess of 5 minutes that you may personally meet and welcome them to our detachment. Gentlemen, please turn around and face the detachment. Welcome aboard.
You gotta hit the gavel.
Hit the gavel. Hit the gavel.
Reset.
Yep.
Break up.
Congratulations.
Sharon's here.